In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank account in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to keep everything clear and organized for seamless financial management. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Bank Transactions tab. This tab is essentially the hub for all bank-related activities within QuickBooks, making it a crucial point of reference. You can find this tab on the left-hand side of your screen, clearly marked to avoid any confusion. It's designed to help you manage your financial data effortlessly, ensuring everything is in one place, easy to access and well-organized. Click on the Bank Transactions tab, and it will take you to a new page dedicated to banking activities. Here, you'll see an option that says Connect Account. This is the button you'll want to click on to start connecting your chosen bank account or credit card to QuickBooks. By doing this, you will enable the automation of transaction imports, a feature that saves an immense amount of time, especially beneficial for busy professionals who need efficient financial management. Automation is key here, helping you avoid manual entry errors and keeping your transaction records up to date without the hassle. After you've clicked Link Account, you'll be prompted to select your bank or credit card provider from a list. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you to either search for your bank or choose from a list of popular banks. Once you've located your bank, click on it to proceed. This step is made as simple as possible to ensure you find your provider quickly and continue the setup without any hitches. The next step will involve entering your bank account or credit card details. While this might seem a bit daunting, rest assured that QuickBooks employs industry-standard practices to ensure your information remains secure. Security is their top priority, so you can feel confident in providing your details. It's important to take care and input the correct details. Any errors here could delay the process, so double-check your entries for accuracy. With your details entered correctly, the final step is logging into your bank through the QuickBooks interface to authorize the connection. QuickBooks provides a seamless guide through this login process, ensuring you're securely linked to your bank account or credit card provider. This secure connection is what allows QuickBooks to fetch transaction data directly from your bank, providing you with up-to-date and accurate financial information without additional effort on your part. And there you have it. Your bank account is now connected to QuickBooks Online. This will help you keep track of your transactions, simplify financial tracking, and improve your overall financial accuracy. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping. If you have any questions or encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to check out QuickBooks' comprehensive support resources or reach out for additional help. They have a wealth of information available tailored to meet a variety of needs and ensure you can make the most of your QuickBooks experience.